Jungle Scout is a powerful tool for Amazon sellers. But before you make the decision to buy, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're new to selling on Amazon or already have a few products in your store, Jungle Scout could be a game changer for your business. But it's not the only tool out there. Stick around because I'm about to break down 7 essential things you should know before committing to this software. First off, Jungle Scout offers a suite of features designed to help you find profitable products, track sales, and optimize your Amazon listings. However, it's important to know that not every feature will be useful depending on the size and needs of your business. Some sellers find that it's overkill for their smaller operations, while others love the deep data insights. If you're coming from tools like Helium 10 or Viral Launch, you may notice some overlap in features, but Jungle Scout's interface is often praised for being more user-friendly, which can save you time, especially if you're just getting started. Next thing to know, Jungle Scout has a pricing structure that might be higher than some competitors, especially if you're looking at the Pro version with all the bells and whistles. While tools like AMZ Scout or even the free version of Keepa may seem like cheaper alternatives, the value you get with Jungle Scout's comprehensive features, especially the product tracker and the supplier database, can make it well worth the investment for many sellers. The pricing might seem steep, but it could pay off if you're serious about scaling. The third thing to be aware of is its product database. Jungle Scout's database is one of its standout features, and it's incredibly useful for discovering trending products. However, it's not infallible. You'll want to double-check the data and do some of your own research, as product niches can fluctuate, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Compared to other tools like Viral Launch, Jungle Scout's database tends to have more limited filtering options, but it's still one of the most robust tools for product research on Amazon. The fourth thing you should know is that Jungle Scout isn't just about finding products. It also gives you in-depth keyword research tools, something that's invaluable for making sure your products show up in Amazon search results. However, keyword data accuracy can be a challenge across all Amazon tools. Jungle Scout provides keyword data, but it might not be as granular or up-to-date as something like Helium 10's Magnet or Cerebro. So, while Jungle Scout's keyword features are decent, it's a good idea to use them in conjunction with other keyword tools to refine your strategy. Next, let's talk about the supplier database. If you're looking to source products, Jungle Scout allows you to track suppliers and manufacturers, which is a major plus. This database helps you find reliable suppliers who have been vetted based on their track records. Compared to competitors, Jungle Scout's supplier information is highly detailed and can give you an edge when sourcing your products. However, this feature is only available in the higher tier plans, so keep that in mind when considering your budget. The sixth thing to keep in mind is that Jungle Scout is highly integrated with Amazon, making it one of the most seamless tools for Amazon sellers. It gives you live sales estimates, real-time product tracking, and detailed competitor analysis. While other tools like Helium 10 or AMZ Scout might offer similar features, Jungle Scout's integration is often considered more accurate and reliable when it comes to Amazon's marketplace-specific data. If you're serious about staying competitive, this integration can save you a lot of time on manual research. Finally, Jungle Scout's customer support is pretty solid, but it's not perfect. While you can expect prompt responses, some users report that they don't always get the level of support they'd hope for, especially with more complex technical issues. Still, compared to other software in the space, Jungle Scout support is generally responsive and helpful. If you ever get stuck, you can find a lot of self-help resources in their knowledge base, as well as a strong community of Amazon sellers online. So, should you buy Jungle Scout? It depends. If you're just starting out and want a straightforward tool that covers everything from product research to keyword tracking to supplier discovery, Jungle Scout might be exactly what you need. However, if you're on a tight budget or you need more specialized features, you might want to consider other options. Remember, if you're ready to give Jungle Scout a try, you can click the first link in the description to access a free trial and get some exclusive benefits.